So guys, I've placed an order with Homeowner UK online for my dream staircase. Let's go in and see what they've done. Hello. Thank you, let's go. So I've had my consultation with Afi here. She's shown me all the colours, all the designs, and loads of different ways we can do the staircase. I've gone for this colour, which is a nutwood. So let's go design it. So Florian's just shown me on the screen how my staircase is going to look. It looks amazing. Let's go downstairs to the workshop to see how it's really made. So guys, I'm downstairs now in this crazy workshop. There's lots going on and Aziza is going to show me around.
Yes, I'll show you around.
So guys, this is quite exciting and now it's my turn to make my own stairs. Good. Cheers, bro. So guys, Homeowner UK have just delivered my dream staircase, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how easy it really is to install because I'm going to be doing it myself. They send you a step-by-step guide with all the details and measurements you need, and that's how easy it is. Let's get it on the wall. And that is the stringer on. Now it's time to get the stairs on. The reveal. So excited. Now let's get it on. So now we're fitting the first step. Got my mate with me to help me, just hold it up, then the bolt. And that is how simple this really is. And that is your first stair. On to the next. So that was easy. Any of you guys can do this at home. So guys, I ordered the glass 2 weeks ago with Homeowner and it has now arrived. I cannot wait to show you. I've chosen one piece, not two. Let's go and fit it. These are the fixings, guys. They go straight into the steps. Let's get the first one on. So there we go, guys. The glass is now on. Everything's screwed in and tight. Now we have the walnut caps that are going to be going on the beautiful staircase. We can then stick it on like so. Easy as that. So guys, that is it for my dream staircase build. I could not be happier thanks to Homeowner UK. I've gone for a walnut finish with an all-in-one glass balustrade and no handrail for elegance. If you want to create your dream staircase, visit homeowner.com and get yours now. Stay tuned to see the whole house complete with a staircase in. So guys, I'm very excited to tell you the house is fully complete and the staircase is my favourite part of it, thanks to Homeowner UK. As you can see, come with a floating stair effect with a walnut finish on the treads to match the Venetian plaster wall. Also with a glass balustrade, all in one, no joint, which is very, very classy, also without a handrail. And one of my favourite things about this is the lighting. As you can see now, it's white, but if you should throw a party, you can go rainbow mode and really change the mood in your house. Honestly, there is no one better in the game than Ovoms UK. So if you want your dream staircase now just like me, visit ovoms.com.
How easy this actually is to order. All you've got to do is go on your phone or laptop, go onto the Ovoms website, you're going to see get your dream stairs like I have today, click shop online, and the prices and the look of your dream staircase is right in front of you. You can get yours within about 10 minutes, and that's how easy it is.